Hey friends, welcome back, or welcome if this is your first video that you're watching here on my channel. If you are new here, I love all things travel, fashion, and lifestyle. If you love the content, please consider giving this video a thumbs up in addition to subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of the family. Now back to what we're gonna be discussing in this video. I bought some new luggage and I would love to unbox it here with you guys. Just a little bit of a background. I have been traveling for 10 years straight, you guys. Ever since I got my passport, I have been going. And I have bought carry-on after carry-on, check bag after check bag. And one thing that I have learned is that if I continue to buy cheap luggage, I will only spend more money over time because they don't get more than a year or two of use before I'm back out in the market buying another piece of luggage. I finally decided that it's time to invest in a higher quality luggage, which will then over time keep me from spending money on bags that are breaking. So as I'm sure you guys can see by the title of this video, I purchased the viral Solgaard Carry-On Plus with the closet, with the built-in closet, in addition to the LifePack Endeavor book bag in the medium size with also the built-in closet because I just wanted the extra space for clothes. Now I'm gonna unbox everything and I'll show you guys exactly what is in the box and what it looks like as I unbox it. So let's do it. So this is what the packaging looks like for the carry-on luggage, and this is the book bag. So we're gonna open them up and pull them out. My first impression of the bag is that the quality is really good. I feel like this material would really last me a while and would really do well in like harsher weathers. Fabric is just really great quality. It feels really soft. This here feels like a seat belt. Anyone who has felt a seat belt knows that that is some very tough fabric, or tough material, I should say. I love the simplicity of the bag in terms of the design. I love how sleek the name is here. I don't really like anything that's too gaudy. This is really smooth. The handle feels really strong. So one thing that I was really worried about when I was looking at the book bag in particular was how big it would look on me. For reference, I'm 5'3", I weigh about 130 pounds, and I didn't want the book bag to be so low on my body. And obviously I can adjust it here to make it higher and sit up, but I didn't want the book bag to look too large on my frame. So I think that it looks pretty decent. I will, of course, like I said, have to adjust. All right, so let's take a look inside of the LifePack Endeavor. We're gonna open this one to the main compartment. And when you open it, it has a mesh compartment here, as well as another compartment down here at the bottom, if you can see that zipper, so that you can put personal items here and here. In addition to this pocket here, which is pretty deep, see it, almost my whole forearm. There's also a pocket here at the bottom, which is separate from that pocket. So a lot of pockets in here, which is good. And let's go to the back pocket, which is the work section where you would be putting a laptop or documents, which there's an area here that's like waterproof and it's really thick. I like that. And then in the front, you can put pins here, You can put whatever you need to put in those smaller pockets. And then down, there's another mesh pocket here where you can hook like keys and smaller items that you just don't want to get lost in your bag. You can put that here. So the area for the laptop back here, it's really soft and it's really deep, so it could fit larger laptops as well. It's very well constructed, and I do love the very simplistic label here for the company. And this is the closet, so let's open it up and see what it looks like. All right, so this is the closet from the book bag. Ooh. So it has these little compartments here so that you can roll up some clothes and put them here. A larger compartment, which I've seen, you know, from other reviews, that you put more bulkier items here. And then there's also another mesh compartment here where you can also section out your clothes here. And I like that this doesn't come off. This also has a section that you can, this mesh section also has a area where you can compartmentalize some things, I guess, for better organization. And yeah, looks pretty spacious. So let me share some other things that I love about this book bag. I absolutely love random stuff. So I love the random pockets that this book bag has. There are pockets here and here on the straps for credit cards or bus cards, things of that nature that are really small and you want handy. You don't want to have to go into the book bag and pull them out. There's also 2 hidden pockets here and here. And these are for more sensitive documents, things that you don't want anyone just having access to, because it will be on your back and it'll be secure. I also love that there are 2 compartments for water bottles, and they seem really, really deep. And I just love the compact design. I also love this. This seems like this is like waterproof. So if you were to sit your bag down while you were taking photos, but it would be protected from the elements. And I think that's a really cool feature as well. Now, on to the carry-on closet plus. All right, so in order to open this, you have to press these together. I obviously have not put a code in since I just got this, but you press these together and it just automatically opens. Ooh, very nice. Has a really large compartment here. Open that. And here, this looks like this may be for shoes, which I think this is really nice. And you can put, I guess, either one shoe here, or some flip-flops here, flip-flops there. And then you have this whole compartment. Now, what I will say is that this is not deep. I don't feel like it's that deep. But again, it is a carry-on, so I understand that it cannot have a whole lot of room. But I love the mesh. I love that you can see through it and you can kind of see what's in there. And then if you press this and you open this, this will access the closet. So if we take that out, okay, here we go. And this is what the closet looks like. This is huge, you guys. This has a lot of space. It has 2 mesh compartments here, and then for you to fold up clothes here, and then the top section for you to put whatever you're gonna put there. And then it has another little top section for smaller items here. This is a lot of room. And there you go. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If this is some content that you love to see, let me know and I'll be sure to incorporate more of this on my channel. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video where I will be packing for an upcoming trip. See you soon. Thank you. Bye.